How are you guys doing? Welcome to Fairy Create Sunday Live.
Did you see our preview?
Do you see our preview? If you saw that, then you know what's gonna happen today.
Of course you do.
Yes, can I get a little highs to see?
We're gonna make the best statue. It's going to look so awesome.
Hi. Hi Sindhu. Hi Sunita. Can we get a little highs?
I'm so excited.
Hi Aarti. Yay! So let's get started. So you saw us in a video. Hi, how are you guys doing, Aarti? So you saw us on a preview a couple of days back where we showed you a sneak preview of what we're going to do today. Before that, let's tell you that today is World Parents Day.
Oh, hello, Heetal.
Hi Hetal. Hi Shraddha. So today is a very special day, and today with Fairy Create we are going to be honoring our parents and creating something which is very cool, which is a very cute little thing which can be a memento for keepsake forever, and it's a great gift to give to your parents today. Isn't that amazing? Yay! Hi Deepa. First we'll tell them what we need for today's craft, and then we will share with them all the fun facts, okay? So what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We need the amazing creative clay. Hi Pratibha, what are the features of the creative clay? It never dries, never hardens.
I mean, my brother and I have been making so many things. We made cats and dogs and snails and
so many things we keep making with the same set. So you're going to need one set today. We're going to use the amazing Fairy Create A+ glue. We're going to use some skewers and some cardboard. And we're going to use cutter and a little Rangila paints also. So all your Fevicol, Fairy Create equipments, just bring them all out, and we're going to use them and have a real fun thing today. So before we get started, we're using the first element of our craft, and that is
the element of clay.
The cardboard. We're going to make a base. We're going to make a memento today. For that, we need to first make the base ready. To make the base, we'll take the cardboard. If you do not have a cardboard, you know what you can also do? You know what you can always do with craft? You can use the material which is available in your homes. So you can use a old box, like a old mithai box maybe. You can use that and you can make this. But what we'll do is, since we have cardboard today, we'll use a cardboard. So we're going to take, and you can note down these measurements. What measurements we're going to take? Myra, keep an eye of that. So you're going to take 6 inches width and about 7 inches height. So we'll make a square rectangle of, excuse me for that, 6 inches by 7 inches. This is how it's going to look. Good evening, Vijay. How are you guys doing?
Mama, 2 seconds. Also, if you want, maybe we can hold it up and then like stay still for a few minutes. That even if you pause it, you don't miss anything.
Yes, see, and these videos are always available on Fairy Create Facebook page. So even if you miss it, you can always come back to Fevicol Facebook page, Fairy Create Facebook page, Fairy Create website, which is your one-stop solution for all your crafting needs. There's so many DIY videos there, and whatever we are making is also there. So you can always keep coming back to it and enjoy yourself. So what we'll do is we'll take a 1 inch long and about 24-inch long stripe. So that is also that we're going to use. So we'll cut that out. We'll cut 2 boxes out, and we'll cut a long stripe out. Long stripe out. How do you cut it? You use your mighty scissors to cut the boxes, because this is a cardboard box. It's a heavy duty cardboard box.
Wait a minute. Are we making a box too?
We are making a box too. We are making the entire craft. You wanted to say something about the Parents Day, the special day that we have. And you know what, we are live here, so whatever questions you have, you can just keep asking us about the craft. Okay, we'll be happy to answer your questions. We have another device here which is like close to us, so we can look at it and keep answering your question. Hi Rajesh, how are you doing?
And heart our own things.
Yeah, and heart are things. Yay! So keep sending us highs and your and all your emojis. So nice of you all.
I love the emojis.
Yes. So what we'll do is we'll take the long stripe that we made, and on this we will attach it like this. Like this we'll attach it. And what you can do is to turn on the sides. What you can do is you can take this.
How much I love emojis that if I'm texting on a laptop and there's no emojis, you know what I do?
Yes.
Have you seen one of those like text things that you can make with symbols?
1 minute, I'll come back to you on that. So you take the stripe and then you leave 2 inches. After you leave 2 inches, you want to make a dent. How you'll make a dent is you take your scale and you curve it. You just curve your cardboard like this. It is a very simple way of making your curves. So as per the dimensions of our rectangle, if you want to make a 3D shape, like what we are making is a shadow box. So if you want to make your 3D shape, yes, do it. Do it, curve it, yes. So you keep your scale and you keep this and you just curve it. And then your fantastic shadow box is in the mix. So what happens when you take this kind of scale, it gives it a very nice edge. So you know your curves are really nice and they're straight and they are perfect. So what we'll do is, Amira, can you add some Fevicol A Plus on the edges?
Okay, on the edges, right?
Yes, on the edges of the cardboard. So what we are going to make is, we are going to make clay figurines, human figurines, and we are going to place them in a shadow box. So first we are making the shadow box. We've taken approximately 6 by 7 inches rectangle and a really long strip, and we curved the strip and we are pasting that on the edges of the cardboard.
I'm trying.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so we were crafting, so our glue has gone a little tight, but no problem, we will fix it.
You know what I tried once? So in school, while I was I had art club that time in regular school, not in online school. So the teacher asked us to bring glue.
So this is how you're going to put it up. You see, on the edges. Okay? That will continue your conversation. And what you do is, Mary, can you hold it up for me like this? 1 minute towards the camera. Just hold it here. Very nice. Very nice. So what we're going to do is, we're going to stick it here on the edges like this.
Oh, that's the hardest part.
That is the hardest part. That's a little tricky. So what you're going to do is, you're going to stick it on the edges, and you have to allow it time to set, and then it is ready. Amari, you were saying some fun facts about World Parents Day. Can we have them now?
Sure. Fun fact, it's not like World Parents Day is on a fixed date. That's always 25th July. It's always the 4th Sunday of July.
Oh, nice. So here is how it looks when it is ready. So what we'll also do is, we will also create a frame kind of thing in it. How do you create a frame? The same way. You make 2 rectangles. You make a bigger one and you make a smaller one.
Hello.
And then you cut them. And then you... Myra, quickly can you go and pick up those frames which have fallen down?
Sure.
So you cut it like this. You cut a insertion like this, and then you make it around, and then you cut it out, and then that's how your shape in a shape. Amira will be right back. We dropped something and she's just picking it up. Can you pass that to me? Okay, wonderful. So this is how our box is ready, and now on the box, first what we did was, we had the base, and then we added that frame, that rectangle on top of it. And then the third step is, we will add a frame to it, a rectangle in a rectangle, and then we will add Fevicol A Plus on the edges Add Fevicol A plus on the edges.
Glue thing that I was doing about the art class one. So before the activity, you know what I did? So the sir told us to get a pre-thing done. But I forgot to do that pre-thing. I only brought the glue. So I glued it. Then I realized my glue got stuck the other time I opened it. So the tip was all jammed up with other glue.
Okay, I'll come back. 1 minute. Hold on to that story. So Maya is telling us a story, and between that we are also crafting. So you see this. This is how your shadow box is coming together. Isn't that amazing?
Why is it called the shadow box?
Because see, it is a box in a box, and whenever you place something in it, even that shadow of the thing stays in it. So it is called a shadow box. It has a little depth in it. And you know what? You can make shadow box with so many other things. Like you can also make shadow box with your boxes, your mithai boxes, your shoe boxes. So many other things you can take and make a shadow box. And what is the next step to the shadow box? We will use our...
like this how the shadow box goes. Like suppose if I keep this here.
Yes. And what you can do is you can paint it up. You can paint it up and it can be ready. You can use your Rangila paints and paint it up. So we are keeping our shadow box for drying here. Meantime, when the shadow box is drying, let's get on to an interesting fact. Who wants to make an interesting thing? Who wants to make clay figurines? Who wants to make clay figurines? I want to make. Do you want to make clay figurines?
Question of the day. Who started Parents' Day?
Who started Parents' Day? Dun, dun, dun.
I'm
okay.
checking.
Since we are making the craft, why don't we only share with them? I think we should share with them. Who started Parents' Day? I think. Why you should share?
President Bill Clinton. If you know that and you don't have time to type that, you get a point.
Yay! So it was started in the year 1994 with President Bill Clinton. But even before that, we've had parents like all our life. The minute we come to this world, who greets us first after the doctors who bring us in the world? It's our parents, right? It's our parent who provides for us, who give us everything, give us education, tell us the way of the world, everything. Is with our parents. So what a wonderful day it is
Rangila rainbow.
to honor them and to celebrate parents. So we'll take these.
Everybody remembers my tip for getting the clay out.
Yeah, you move it out and then you add it. You move it out and then you add it. So what we are going to do is we are going to make clay figurines. And to make clay figurines, hi Ashwini. So if you have any questions, do share your questions with us. Or you can share your emojis and your reactions to us, and you'll tell us how you're liking this entire session. Bless you. Okay, so what we are going to make is we are going to make Mama, Papa. We are a family of 4, so we'll make 4 figurines. Mama, Papa, Amaya and Ayanch. Okay, so you can make these as per your family, as per the number of people that are there in your family.
You can even, if you want, if you're going to make your dress or your shirt or anybody's clothes, you can add more beautiful things on it.
Yay, that's amazing. That's amazing. So what you can do is, since we don't have a skin color, which all color we can use to make skin color? I think we should use a little pink and a little white to make a skin color. So when you're making figurines, imagine how a person is, how the person's body is, right? You have like a head which is a little round, and then you have body, and then you have limbs, right? So we'll make, we will keep those things in mind. So whenever you're making a, yes, take it.
Something.
Yes, so whenever you are, today is a dropping day, we're being a little clumsy today. So first you make a round head. So you make a round, and then you make a rectangle for the body, and then you make 2 long legs, and then you make 2 long arms. That is the basic of a human structure when you're making a human structure figurine. Okay, come back. So how are we making skin color? We are joining this color. That is the best part about the clay, of the Rangila creative clay, that you can mix them. We've shown you this earlier also, and we're going to show it again to you, that you can mix it and you can make amazing colors out of it. So you have a set of beautiful 12 colors, but you can make unlimited colors by mixing and, you know, being your creative self about it. So we are mixing, and
Or
we
if your
mix it
skin
up.
color is a bit darker, you could even use brown. You don't have to
Yes,
mix
of
anything.
course. You know, we are families comes in all shapes and sizes and all colors, so we can make it as per we want. And that's such a nice thing to say, Amira. Thank you very much. So, how are you spending your Sunday, and how did you do anything fun with your parents today? See, this is how my color is ready. Can you see that? It almost looks like my hand only, right? Like a finger which is there. So what I'm going to take is, I'm going to take this and we're going to make rounds. Amira, can you help me make a sphere? So we're going to make a sphere out of it. And then we will also take this. Amira, leave that baby. No, make it with your hand. Make it with your hand. Don't make it with the table. So you take this, and then on your palm, there is a dent in your palm, right? So you can take that. Hi, Ashwini. So you can take that and you can make a nice ball out of it, like a nice spherical ball out of it. So this is how your basis of your face is ready. So what you do next is you take your black color, because we all have like beautiful black hair, so we'll add a little hair. So you take that and you squeeze it out with your hands. You know, clay is very good for your motor skills also, because you're doing so much work with your fingers. You're bending them, you're creating shapes out of them. So your fine motor skills are also getting used a lot, and you should really buy clay and really work with it and be creative. And it is a very good creative exercise and also learning in the process. Are you going to say something? Yes.
Yeah,
So,
actually.
so Parents Day. So see, I was showing you. See? Can you see that? It's looking nice, isn't it? And you can just always cut out. I can use a cutter, but you can also use a pair of scissors or your hands to cut out the extra one.
I made a silly face, but that's okay. It can be fixed.
See, I made the face and then I added the hair to it. Isn't it looking cute? Isn't it looking cute? Right? And who is in your family who's, there's every time the child is either a mama's pet or a daughter, daddy's daughter. So what are you? You're your mama's baby or your papa's pampered one? Who pampers you most? Your mama or your papa? Tell us in the comments. We would love to you. She's saying both. What about you? It's a good question and it is a very tricky one. Right? So this is how our face is ready. And you can also take your markers to mark the eyes. Amira, would you like to do that? Would you like to mark the eyes and a little beautiful smile to it? So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to take blue. We will take 2 for Mama, Papa, and both. Who's saying both? Oh, so cute is that? My comments are coming up. Yeah, both. Ethel, that's amazing. Isn't that amazing? Yes. I know it is so difficult to choose, no? Between your parents who loves you most. And it's so difficult as a parent also to choose the child. You know, who do you love more? I love both my kids a lot equally. So I'll take the blue one. I'm taking the blue to make the body of the adult first. So what I'll do is I'll take a little more because the adult body is a little more, right? Hey, thank you for your comments. Thank you for your emojis. Yay!
I added eyelashes. Is this a girl?
It's a girl. See, you might add such cute eyelashes to it. See?
But
See. You can add as per you want. Okay. So we squeeze it out a little bit, and then what we do is we make it like a shape, like a shape of a body. So a little towards the triangle on the top and the squarish on the middle. So this is how our body is coming together. See, this is how our body is coming together. You can make it as thick and as thin as you want, because you know you can adjust it as per your family, as per your parents. And also what you can do is you can make the shapes also as per your family members are. So let's say your father is very tall, so you can make a tall person, and you're like 3, so your mama, papa, and 1 baby. So you can add that. If you have a dog also, so you can add a dog also to it. So I'm just showing you the technique. You can create it and craft it as per your family. Isn't that amazing?
Okay,
So what we'll do is we'll
tip for dog making.
Yeah, Myra and Ansh have been making a lot of clay dogs of late. So Myra, you can give a tip for making dog.
If you want, you can make the head square, but that's actually a bit harder. So I'm just going to show you all how to.
Okay, we'll come to that. First, why don't you complete this hair also? So we will add that, and our body is ready. So we'll add the body, and what we'll do is we'll add a skewer to it, so that it stays a little firm, because you have to keep it on the shadow box, right? So we will add a skewer to it in the middle, or what you can do is you can make 2, and you can add the skewer in between, right? So you can make it like that also. They're both the ways you can make it, right? And then with the skewer it will be little more firm, okay? And then what you can do is like this. It is coming together. Myra, can you make a little hands?
Also, I'm just looking at how many people are watching right now, and I didn't expect to be that less of you. Okay, but I'm still glad you all could join.
Yay! So can we have that? Can we have the little arms? So how do you make the arms? The same way you can make the skirt. The way you make the body, same way you can make the skirt. Hi Reena, hi Parul, hi Sandeep.
I have a
So
dog.
we are live here. So whatever questions you have, you can keep asking us, and we'll be happy to answer your questions also. So similarly, so we made a light blue for Papa. We made a light blue body for Papa. So we're making the base now. Base ke liye what we'll make is we'll make like a slide. So we will add the bodies here on this. So we added that, and then we cut the square a little bit as per our body requirements, and then we add it here like this. Like this is what we add our skewer. Hello. So we're making our bodies, we're making our family. So similarly, we make a small one for Myra. Can you make arms? Like really, like for arms is very simple. Let's say for example you take an orange. So what you do is you squish it like real thin. Make.
Mama.
Yeah. So and you make it like this, and this looks similar to an arm. Yeah, try Parul. Do you think it looks similar to an arm? I think it looks similar to an arm.
I have something to tell you though. I was trying to make the dog, and that was the dog's head.
I took the dog's head, I made an arm out of it. It's okay, you can make it again. This clay never dries and never hardens, so you can always use it again. Okay, let's make a body of a boy. So the same way we make a body of a boy, so you'll make a little triangle shape with a little like this shape, like pyramid shape, a little more on the bottom, and a little wider on the bottom, a little smaller on the top. So this is how our boy is coming together. So in front of our Papa, the baby boy is coming together, and then we are going to add the arms there. We'll add the arms. So we add the baby boy's arms.
I thought the light blue was the mama. I thought the light blue was the mama.
Either way we can make light blue for Papa, dark blue for Papa. So I want you to say anything.
I have a tiny dog story to share since we were talking about dogs.
Share.
So in school, we were talking in the bus on the way home, and then there was this tiny dog. When we stopped because somebody needed to get down because it was their house.
This is how it is coming together. See.
and the dog was so tiny, and the people who owned the dog used to dress up the dog with clothes. So the dog started barking at the bus, and it was so tiny.
Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Your dogs are also your family members, right? So you dress them up also. Even when we had dogs, we used to dress them up, especially in the rainy weather. You know, we used to make them wear raincoats and all that.
Okay,
So this
that's
is how it
cute.
is coming together. For a skirt also, you can make a U for the skirt. Hand is ready. Wonderful. So now you make a skirt. Till the time you're making a skirt, I'll show them how do you add the heads to it.
It's
So
gonna be the most detailed skirt you've ever seen.
yeah, Marva's making the skirt and we're making the babies. So we made the head, and what you're going to do is you're going to add that head here on the top of that person that we made. So our head is coming together, and on the base that mama is coming together. And then what we'll do is we'll add a little Fevicol A plus to secure the head, and we'll add the Fevicol A plus here also on the babies. So here goes our Fevicol A plus is coming together. Here goes our papa. Our papa has a mustache and a beard. You can make your papa as your papa is. Right.
In the morning.
Yeah. See, and then what you do is the babies are coming on front, right? So it is looking like mama, papa are holding the babies in their laps. So we'll just add that Fevicol A plus, and we'll add the faces on top.
Also in the morning, my mother has an app which you can put filters to your photos. So my father asked me if there was a no beard filter, because he just wants to see how it looked without a beard. And it wasn't that good.
It wasn't that good. So what you can do is you can also add the hands. So hands are added and the faces are added, and it is looking like it's a little tough to show, but I'm also trying my best to show. See how the mummy papa are coming and the babies are there on the lap. Mara, what are you making? Yeah, Maya's making a beautiful skirt out of it. Now what we do is we have our shadow box ready. So we bring our shadow box back and we'll gently place them. And
the arms off.
And the arms are off because we did not put Fevicol. To secure them, what you need to do is you need to always have the Fevicol A plus, and then you can secure the entire clay structure together with the Fevicol A plus. So what you do is you take your Fevicol and you mix it a little with water, and then you take brushes and then you add that, and then you just spray it on. And how do you add hands? You take little small balls and then you put them on their hands.
Yeah, but I actually tried to fix the arm by securing it a bit more, but then the entire arm fell off.
Yeah, it's okay. We have one more body. So we are coming together with it. Amira, can you help me clear it out? Another important tip, boys and girls, when you're crafting, keep clearing your table so that you have space to put your craft together, right?
Somebody sent an angry face.
It's okay. So we are here with the see, when you have your ready. Happy Parents Day to you also. Happy Parents Day. Hi Rohit. Hi Mona. We are live here on Fevicreate. So if you have questions, you can definitely ask. So here is our coming together, and what
Nobody
we'll do
saw
is
me try to pick up the statue and then accidentally drop the head.
It's okay. So what you can do is you can take a little chart paper. So on your box, what you can do is you can take a little chart paper and then you can put it on the base. You can take chart paper, you can also take any scenery, or you can paint a scenery. Let's say for example, you can have a little sun here, or you can paint a picture of your house. Anything you can paint, and you can add that as a base. So you can add that as a base and you can paste it here.
May I try painting it?
Yes, we can paint it later and you can add it. We are running out of time because time is also very precious, because all these lovely people are here with us, watching us on Fevicreate TV. every Saturday, every Sunday, join us for all these amazing crafts, and keep logging on to fevicreate.com for all the amazing craft ideas. So what we do here is we added that to the base, and then we take our clay figurine. Now this clay figurine with so many clay is very heavy, okay? So what you do is you put a lot of Fevicol A+, and then you let it rest. You let it rest so that, you know, the glue attaches itself well to it, okay? So we attach that, and then we add our frame to it. So Myra, we also made a little banner. So we can add a little banner to it, and you can add your custom message in it. Because see, it is a, thank you Ashwini, I'm glad you're liking it. So you can add any message to it. So Myra, would you like to write a message?
Yeah.
Yay! Myra would like to write a message for the family. So what we'll do is, we also, to secure our border also, what we'll do is we'll add Fevicol A+ on the cover also, the border that we made. Okay, and we'll add that, and here we are adding it. So when you're making it, then it stays firm, you know. See here. Can you see that? 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 Yeah, can you see that?
I wrote.
See, it's
love
coming
you.
together. Amira wrote, love you, Mama, Papa.
And
Yay! So that's such a cute message, right? Like from Amira and Ayush, right from Amira and Ayush. So you can add this, and you can add a custom message for your Mama, Papa, and they'll be so happy to see this beautiful little craft, which is a clay figurine craft, which you can make for your family. And this we've made as for our family, and you can give it to your parents, you can gift it to your parents, and it is a beautiful little gift. See, with so less things, and things which are available in your house, you know, with all the recycling, you can put together and make something which is very nice for your family. See?
also I wrote our nicknames.
There we have added our nicknames, because this is for our family. This is a customized thing, so we added it for our family. So thank you so much for watching today, and we really hope you liked it. And for all your crafting needs, where you have to go?
Fevicreate.com.
Fevicreate.com, and do like the Instagram and the Facebook page, and share all your lovely creations with us, and you can tag @Fevicreate, and we'll be happy to receive all your lovely crafts. So till next Saturday, happy crafting. See you.